Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to tell you how to check DSW gift card balance. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit on, you can say, any search browser and you need to type like gift card balance DSW, and once you get first result over here, you can see this is the first result and you need to click on this one. And once you click on this result, you will be available on this page, and you can see over here, you can see this is a window like check your balance. Click on this window, and over here you need to enter your card number and you need to enter your pin number. What is your card number and pin number? So this is your card number, and over here you can see, and your pin number is also available on the back side of your card. You need to scratch that area and you get your pin number. Okay, you just need to enter your card number and pin number and click on check I'm not a robot, and give some examples like this is not a stair, or like traffic lights over here you can see. So once you check I'm not a robot, you need to click on continue, and once you click on continue, you will get your balance very easily. So this is the way by which you can easily check DWS gift card balance. So if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.